Teddy. Hi, Olga. What are you doing? I am thinking. What are you thinking about? Do we have any holidays in spring? Yes, we do. And we will have one holiday very soon. Really? What holiday? Easter. Yay! I love Easter. Let's get ready for Easter. What shall we do? Let's decorate eggs. Hooray! I like decorating eggs. But first, we need to find the eggs. Where can we find the eggs? I know! We can find them on the farm. Let's go to the farm. All right, we are at the farm. Where are the eggs? Well, I know that one of my animal friends can lay eggs, but I forgot who. Oh, I am so forgetful. Don't worry, Teddy. Let's ask the animals. Look, I see a sheep. Interesting. Can it give us some eggs? Hello, sheep. Can you give us some eggs, please?
Hello. No, I can't. I cannot lay eggs. Ask a pig. Maybe the pig can give you some eggs.
Look, a pig. Oh, hello, pig. Can you give us some eggs, please?
Hello. No, I can't. I cannot lay eggs. Ask a cow. Maybe the cow can give you some eggs.
Oh no, cows can't lay eggs. We need help. Children, can you help us, please? Which of the animals can lay eggs? Can a rabbit lay eggs? No, it can't. Can a horse lay eggs? No, it can't. Can a rooster lay eggs? No, it can't. Can a hen lay eggs? Yes, it can. All right, let's find the hen. Oh, here it is. Hello, hen. Can you give us some eggs, please?
Hello, friends. Yes, I can. How many eggs do you need?
We need 5 white eggs, please.
Okay, you can find white eggs in the box.
What box? Where is the box?
Oh, the box is under the table.
What table? Where is the table?
Haven't I told you? Oh, I am so forgetful. The table is near the barn door. Go to the barn. Open the door. Go inside the barn. Find the table. The table is near the door. Then find the box. The box is under the table. Take the box. Open the box. The white eggs are in the box. Oh, I forgot. I need to go to my little chicks now. They are very hungry. I am so forgetful. Bye-bye, Teddy. Bye-bye, Olga.
Bye-bye, hen. Thank you for your eggs. Goodbye. See you soon. Oh no, I forgot everything. We will never find the eggs. Don't worry, Teddy. I remember where the eggs are. Let's go to the barn. Let's open the doors. Let's go inside. We need to find the table near the doors. Look, here is the table. And here are the eggs. But Teddy, they are brown eggs, and we need the white eggs. The brown eggs are in the basket, and the white eggs are in the box. And where is the box? The box is under the table. Can you see it? Yes, I can. Let's open the box. Yay! We have found the white eggs. Great! Now we need to take 5 eggs. Let's count 5 eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we decorate them now, Olga? Yes, let's decorate the eggs. I am ready to decorate the eggs. Can you show me how to do it, please? Yes.
We have some paints, felt tips, brushes, and some cotton buds. First, let's practice a little and try to decorate some eggs on paper. You can draw different dots and lines on your eggs. I take a green felt tip and draw a zigzag line on my egg. Then I take a red felt tip and draw one more zigzag line, like so, and a blue zigzag line. Then I want to draw some dots, like so. Green dots, red dots, and blue dots. I like dots. You can draw some wavy lines. I want to draw some green wavy lines and some red wavy lines. You can also draw circles, triangles, or hearts, whatever you like. I want to draw many circles. You can take a brush and paint a line, like so. I want to paint some green lines. Then I want to take a cotton bud and do some red dots. Dot, 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 dot. Many dots. It is so easy and fun. Then change the color and do the dots again. Dot, dot, dot.
Do you want to try it, Teddy?
Yes, I do. Wavy lines and many dots. Dot, 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 dot. I like it. Now I want to draw some zigzag lines. Yellow zigzag lines and green zigzag lines. And I want to do many dots, many zigzags, and many dots. I like drawing and I like painting.
Now we can take the real eggs and decorate them. Great! Will we eat these eggs? No, we can't eat the eggs. They are not cooked. Oh, and how to cook the eggs? Well, you can boil them.
Take a saucepan, put the eggs into the saucepan, add some water, add some salt. Put the saucepan on the stove. Turn on the stove. Let the water boil for 7 minutes. Turn off the stove. Put the eggs in the ice water. Wait a little Then peel your eggs and eat them. Yum yum.
Great! Grrr. Uh-oh, my tummy is rumbling. I am very hungry. Can I eat one egg? No. Can I eat 2 eggs? Or 3? Yes, Teddy. Let's go to the kitchen and cook some eggs. Let's say goodbye to children. Bye-bye, guys. See you soon. Goodbye, my friends.